Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo and I'll be your instructor for this course, How to Draw Stylized Poses and Anatomy. This course starts from the very beginning and we're going to start with basic shapes. My goal here is to teach you how to simplify the complexity of the body with simplified shapes, forms, looking for rhythms, gesture, all sorts of things that will allow you to build this back up and then draw more dynamic, interesting characters. This course also includes a lot of localized studies before we get to the bigger full figure drawings, so that way we can study things like the torso, the shoulders, the individual parts that a lot of us have had trouble along the way learning, but makes it a lot easier to draw those full dynamic figures. In this course you're going to learn stylized anatomy for comics, dynamic poses, light and shadow of the figure, line weight, cross-hatching and rendering, gesture and body language, as well as how to construct male and female poses. Some other downloadable resources that you'll get with this course are step-by-step tutorials and high-quality poses for you to study and draw along with. Keep in mind that this entire course is in real time. That way I don't glance over anything and I show you exactly what it takes to create this type of work. And remember, you get lifetime access to this content and all future updates are free. So if you're ready to take your art to the next level, let's get started. Thank you very much for considering my course, and I can't wait to see your work.